Hello again, folks. Dr. Mike Breen here from the Chiropractic Family Care Center and the Healthy Transformations Program. Just a bit more information for you about the nature of the food modeling that is used in the Healthy Transformation Program. You may have seen another video that speaks to the nature of the program being an anti-inflammatory program. What in fact is the food modeling that is used? Well, it's an anti-inflammatory diet, and it's something that a lot of people are unfamiliar with by way of a term, and yet there's a whole bunch of other terms that are used these days from dietary perspectives that people are more familiar with. One of them would be a keto diet. Is the Healthy Transformations a keto-based plan? And the answer is no, it's not a keto plan, and yet it takes elements of ketosis. The anti-inflammatory diet is what we'd call mildly ketogenic, meaning there's an emphasis on fat consumption, certainly, but not so much as what full-blown ketogenic diets. So people say, well, is it a low-carb diet? And the answer is actually no. It has quite a high volume of carbohydrates, and yet the carbohydrates that are consumed are those that are very low on what's called the glycemic index, which is a measure of the amount of sugar that's in food. So it actually would be a high-carb but a low-sugar diet, which can be confusing to a few people, but that's a foundational element of what's going on. Is it a gluten-free diet? And the answer is no, it's not particularly gluten-free, and yet when people eat low on the glycemic index, by nature they're avoiding the foods that have gluten in them. So the anti-inflammatory healthy transformations model is in fact significantly gluten reduced, and in some cases it can be gluten free, but that's not the singular point of the diet. So really it captures elements of the very best of a whole bunch of different things, and it's captured again under the model of an anti-inflammatory approach. There are other components to it, though, beyond just the food modeling. Reducing inflammatory tendencies from other aspects, which includes improving the gut flora, which means the bacteria in your gut. There'll be another video about that you can look up, as well as reducing environmental influences from the environment by way of detoxification or removing these elements that we are just exposed to by way of our daily living. So the food model is that we teach a heck of a lot more about it than you get in this video. So if you have questions, please make contact with the clinic to me directly, by email, by phone. I'd be happy to give you more information and let you know more about it. Take care. Bye.